Every DIY enthusiast or homeowner needs a reliable tool for electrical tasks, and accuracy is key. The best multimeter for home use offers precise readings, ease of use, and durability, making it an essential gadget for troubleshooting and everyday maintenance. Starting our list is the Fluke 15B Plus multimeter, a highly reliable tool that is perfect for home use as well as professional applications. Known for its durability and precision, this digital multimeter is designed with a Cat 3 600V safety rating, which means it provides solid protection when working on electrical systems commonly found in both residential and commercial settings. Whether you are checking wiring at home or dealing with more demanding electrical panels, this feature ensures your safety is never compromised. What makes the Fluke 15B Plus stand out is its ability to measure both alternating current and direct current voltage up to 1,000 volts. This wide range allows you to handle multiple tasks with confidence, from troubleshooting household appliances to checking automotive systems or even examining commercial equipment. It also measures alternating current and direct current up to 10 amps, which is especially useful for identifying overloading issues, detecting short circuits, and pinpointing faulty wiring. Beyond voltage and current, this multimeter includes essential measurement functions such as resistance, continuity, and capacitance. These are extremely helpful for diagnosing everyday electrical problems and repairing them effectively, whether you are fixing a faulty outlet or checking the performance of components in a circuit. Taking the second spot is the Fluke 117 multimeter, a professional-grade tool that also fits perfectly into home use scenarios where accuracy and reliability are essential. This model comes with Volt Alert technology, which allows non-contact voltage detection. This feature is highly convenient when you need to quickly check for live wires without making direct contact, adding an extra layer of safety while working around household circuits or electrical panels. In addition, the Auto Volt function automatically detects and selects between alternating current and direct current voltage, saving you time and ensuring smoother operation when switching between tasks. The Fluke 117 also offers a direct current millivolt measurement range up to 600.0 millivolts with a resolution of 0.1 millivolt, making it ideal for precise low-level voltage checks. Another standout feature is its low impedance, which helps prevent false readings caused by ghost voltage. This is particularly useful in older homes or complex wiring systems where inaccurate results could easily lead to misdiagnosis. To add to its practicality, the multimeter includes a large white LED backlight, allowing you to clearly read measurements even in dimly lit or hard-to-reach spaces, such as basements, attics, or behind appliances. One of the key advantages of the Fluke 117 is its true RMS capability, which ensures accurate readings when dealing with non-linear loads, such as electronic devices, power supplies, or modern appliances that generate irregular waveforms. This makes it a highly versatile tool not only for traditional electrical tasks, but also for troubleshooting newer, more complex home electronics. Next on our list is the Fluke 115 multimeter, a compact yet powerful tool that is perfectly suited for both home users and field technicians who need reliable measurements in a portable design. Built with true RMS technology, this digital multimeter ensures accurate readings of both voltage and current, even when dealing with nonlinear loads. This makes it highly dependable for troubleshooting not only simple household circuits, but also modern electronic devices and appliances that often generate complex signals. With its ability to measure resistance, continuity, frequency, and capacitance in addition to voltage and current, it provides all the essential functions you need to diagnose and solve a wide range of electrical problems at home. A notable feature of the Fluke 115 is its min, max, and average recording capability, which allows you to capture fluctuations in signals. This is particularly valuable when diagnosing intermittent electrical issues that may not appear during a quick test. For instance, if a circuit is showing unusual performance only at certain times, the multimeter can record those variations and give you the data needed to pinpoint the problem. With a safety rating of Cat 3 600V, it offers solid protection while working on residential systems, ensuring that you can measure with confidence and peace of mind. The design of the Fluke 115 also focuses on usability. It features a large white LED backlight, which makes it easy to take readings in dimly lit areas such as basements, utility rooms, or behind appliances. Its compact build and lightweight body, weighing about 600 grams, add to its portability, making it comfortable to carry and handle during daily use. At number 4, the Klein Tools Multimeter takes the spotlight as part of a complete high-performance kit that offers outstanding convenience and value for home use. Unlike a standard multimeter that comes on its own, this set includes a digital multimeter, a non-contact voltage tester, and a receptacle tester, giving you all the tools needed for reliable electrical testing in one package. For homeowners who want a versatile solution that covers multiple scenarios, this kit stands out as a smart buy. The digital multimeter itself is capable of measuring up to 600 volts of alternating current and direct current voltage, 10 amps of direct current, and resistance up to 2 mega ohms. These functions make it suitable for tackling a wide range of tasks, from checking household outlets to diagnosing issues with small appliances. Alongside this, the non-contact voltage tester adds a layer of safety and convenience, with a detection range of 50 to 1000 volts of alternating current. It is designed to identify live cables, circuit breakers, and other components without making direct contact. When voltage is detected, the device signals with a bright red LED and audible tones, while a bright green LED confirms the tester is active and functioning properly. The included receptacle tester is another highly practical tool, allowing you to quickly detect common wiring conditions such as open ground, open hot, open neutral, or reversed hot and ground connections. This is particularly useful for ensuring that outlets around the home are wired safely and correctly. Finishing our list is the MESTEK digital multimeter, a feature-packed and versatile clamp meter that delivers both accuracy and functionality for home use as well as professional applications. This multimeter is designed with true RMS technology, ensuring precise measurements even on non-linear loads, which is essential when working with modern electronics or variable current systems. It can measure alternating current and direct current up to 1000 amps, along with alternating current and direct current voltage, frequency, resistance, and capacitance. On top of that, it also includes diode testing, continuity checks, and temperature measurement, making it a complete tool for diagnosing electrical issues in cars, industrial equipment, or household systems. The MESTEK multimeter also incorporates advanced modes such as Low Z and VFD. The Low Z function reduces the risk of false readings caused by ghost voltage, which is especially helpful when working in complex wiring setups. The VFD mode ensures accurate results when measuring variable frequency drive signals, such as those found in motors or transformers. Additionally, the inrush current measurement capability, with a range up to 1000 amps, allows you to capture and analyze starting currents in alternating current mode, which can be critical when troubleshooting motors and heavy-duty appliances. For added convenience and safety, this multimeter includes a built-in non-contact voltage detector, allowing you to quickly determine the presence of live voltage without making direct contact.